Welcome to the Hot Mic SE.
The former South African President Jacob Zuma, now leader of the Umkhonto we Party, has expressed confidence in a pending legal battle against the Independent Electoral Commission over allegations of voter fraud during the May 29, 2024 general elections. The MK Party, which contested its first national elections, claims that irregularities significantly skewed the results in favor of rival parties. In a statement released on Friday, Zuma reaffirmed his trust in the judicial system, stating that evidence gathered by his party would expose critical anomalies in the election process. "We have full faith that the Electoral Court will consider our evidence impartially and that justice will prevail," Zuma told reporters. "This is not about undermining democracy but ensuring that our electoral system remains free, fair and transparent." The MK Party alleges that the election results were tainted by massive fraud, including ballot manipulation, claims of tampering during vote counting, voter irregularities, alleged discrepancies in voter rolls, and reported instances of duplicate voting. Systemic bias, accusations that the IEC favored certain political parties. Although the MK Party did not secure a significant share of votes, Zuma maintains that the misconduct undermined the party's debut in the national political arena. The IEC has categorically denied the allegations, asserting that the elections were conducted in accordance with South Africa's laws and international best practices. In a public statement, the IEC emphasized its commitment to maintaining the integrity of the electoral process. "We stand by the credibility of the election process and are fully prepared to defend this in court," an IEC spokesperson said. Election disputes in South Africa carry a high burden of proof, requiring a substantial and verifiable evidence of wrongdoing. Legal analysts suggest that Zuma's case faces significant hurdles. Challenging election results is an uphill battle, particularly when the process has been independently audited and internationally monitored, said Professor Thando Mkhize, a constitutional law expert. The MK Party will need to present concrete evidence to substantiate its claims. The case has sparked widespread debate about the potential implications for South Africa's democracy. If the court finds any merit in the allegations, it could cast doubt on the integrity of the electoral process and the IEC's credibility. Conversely, a ruling in favor of the IEC could bolster confidence in the country's democratic institutions. The outcome of the case could have lasting effects on South Africa's political landscape. For the MK Party, a favorable ruling might validate its claims and solidify its position as a rising opposition force. However, a loss could diminish its credibility and weaken its prospects in future elections. Meanwhile, the IEC is under intense scrutiny as public confidence in its operations hangs in the balance. Observers argue that a transparent and fair resolution of the dispute is crucial to maintaining trust in South Africa's electoral system. As the court date approaches, attention is turning to the evidence of the MK Party plans to present. The case has galvanized political discourse, with some seeing it as a legitimate challenge to electoral transparency and others viewing it as a baseless attempt to gain political leverage. Regardless of the outcome, the case underscores the importance of robust electoral oversight and the need for all parties to uphold democratic principles. For South Africans, the resolution will not only determine the legitimacy of the May 29th elections, but also set a precedent for how such disputes are handled in the future. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to kindly drop your comments, drop a like, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Thank you.